Known Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to make ribbon pokoram. For ribbon pokoram you need this. See the chakli making machine and this. It should be thin, not very thick. Okay. And what you need is 1 cup of rice flour. You take any measurement. Okay. Whether small cup or big cup, anything but 1 cup of rice flour. To this 1 cup of gram flour. Here. Gram flour you can take 2 to 3 spoons more than the rice flour. Okay. Here. Now to this add salt, the required salt. Then asafoetida, then red chilli powder. That's all, nothing else. You don't need anything more than this. No hot oil or no butter, nothing. Trust me, this will be very tasty, a very tasty snack. You will certainly love it, your family will love it. Now after mixing, now add water little by little and make a dough. Not a very runny dough, nor very tight. Okay. You should be able to press it. At the same time it should not be watery. So add the water little by little. Otherwise you will end up adding more water. And this side I have already kept oil for frying. This is a deep fried snack. See, I have made a dough. The dough should be like this, okay? Not very watery, not very thin. And fill it in this here, the bottom thing, okay? Fill it, and this is to press it. And when you keep the oil should not give fumes, okay? It should be hot, but it should not give fumes. Now let us check whether the oil is ready. Yeah. See, it has come up immediately. When it comes up immediately, that means the oil is done. Otherwise it takes time. It will sit at the bottom and comes after some time. So when you think the oil is ready, you can fry it. So let me just show you how to press it. Here. So do not flip it immediately. You have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Otherwise the ribbon pokoram will break it into pieces. See, now you can flip it. Okay. Flip it slowly. Okay. Otherwise the hot oils should not splash on you. Wait for 2 minutes till the bubble sound reduces completely. Okay, once this is done, the bubble sound reduces. Okay. Okay, now you can remove it and put it in a plate which has holes so that the extra oil will get into the bottom plate. Okay. Now let's press the second one. Here, ribbon pokoram is ready to eat. Now just see how crispy it is. Okay. This is very tasty. We have not added butter, we have not added oil, anything. Trust me, this is very tasty. You have to prepare and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. press the like button and the bell button for notification. Thank you very much. Please tell your friends also to subscribe my channel, and I'll be coming with more tips on on many things. So thank you again. Bye bye.